Beda dulu.
One day I received news that would change my life forever. I was the first delivery rider at McDonald's UAE who was promoted to restaurant manager.
مكان الهمني من تدريب فريق واحد لتدريب كل فريق.
Tolerance considered a shy.